学期，学期，学期。
semester,
semester.
一年的课程分为2个学期。一年的课程分为2个学期。一年的课程分为2个学期。
The one-year course is divided into 2 semesters.
The one-year course is divided into 2 semesters.
每个学期大约18周。每个学期大约18周。每个学期大约18周。
Each semester lasts approximately 18 weeks.
Each semester lasts approximately 18 weeks.
由于家里经济困难，下个学期他不再继续学习。由于家里经济困难，下个学期他不再继续学习。由于家里经济困难，下个学期他不再继续学习。
Due to financial difficulties at home, he stopped studying next semester.
Due to financial difficulties at home, he stopped studying next semester.
出生，出生，出生。
Birth, born,
Birth. Born.
关于他的出生年月，我不清楚。关于他的出生年月，我不清楚。关于他的出生年月，我不清楚。
I don't know her date of birth.
I don't know her date of birth.
我只知道他是在春天出生的。我只知道他是在春天出生的。我只知道他是在春天出生的。
All I know is that she was born in the spring.
All I know is that she was born in the spring.
我孙子刚出生2天。我孙子刚出生2天。我孙子刚出生2天。
My grandson was just 2 days old.
My grandson was just 2 days old.
性别，性别，性别。
Gender,
Gender.
请把您的姓名、年龄、性别、联系电话都写在这张表上。请把您的姓名、年龄、性别、联系电话都写在这张表上。请把您的姓名、年龄、性别、联系电话都写在这张表上。
please write your name, age, gender, and contact number on this form.
Please write your name, age, gender, and contact number on this form.
我们必须打破带有性别歧视的观念。我们必须打破带有性别歧视的观念。我们必须打破带有性别歧视的观念。
We must break down sexist attitudes.
We must break down sexist attitudes.
促进性别平等，实现社会和谐。促进性别平等，实现社会和谐。促进性别平等，实现社会和谐。
Promote gender equality and achieve social harmony.
Promote gender equality and achieve social harmony.
道歉，道歉，道歉。
Apologize. Make an apology.
Apologize. Make an apology.
他知道自己错了，他赶紧向顾客道歉。他知道自己错了，他赶紧向顾客道歉。他知道自己错了，他赶紧向顾客道歉。
He knew he was wrong, and he quickly apologized to the customer.
He knew he was wrong, and he quickly apologized to the customer.
他连声道歉，对不起，这是我的错，给您添麻烦了。 他连声道歉，对不起，这是我的错，给您添麻烦了。他连声道歉，对不起，这是我的错，给您添麻烦了。
He apologized repeatedly. I'm sorry, it's my fault. I'm sorry for causing you trouble.
He apologized repeatedly. I'm sorry, it's my fault. I'm sorry for causing you trouble.
如果你误会了朋友，你需要向他道歉，来表示你的诚意。如果你误会了朋友，你需要向他道歉，来表示你的诚意。如果你误会了朋友，你需要向他道歉，来表示你的诚意。
If you misunderstand a friend, you need to apologize to him to show your sincerity.
If you misunderstand a friend, you need to apologize to him to show your sincerity.
打印，打印，打印。
Print out.
Print out.
请把这个电子文件打印2份。请把这个电子文件打印2份。请把这个电子文件打印2份。
Please print 2 copies of this electronic document.
Please print 2 copies of this electronic document.
打印机打印不出来。打印机打印不出来。打印机打印不出来。
The printer cannot print.
The printer cannot print.
打印机又坏了。打印机又坏了。打印机又坏了。
The printer broke down again.
The printer broke down again.
复印。复印。复印。
Xerox. Copy.
Xerox. Copy.
请把这份资料复印一下。请把这份资料复印一下。请把这份资料复印一下。
Could you please make a copy of this document?
Could you please make a copy of this document?
请给我一份你的护照复印件。请给我一份你的护照复印件。请给我一份你的护照复印件。
Please give me a copy of your passport.
Please give me a copy of your passport.
复印机经常需要维修和保养。复印机经常需要维修和保养。复印机经常需要维修和保养。
Copiers frequently require repair and maintenance.
Copiers frequently require repair and maintenance.
谢谢观看。